condensation, clouds float by. Precipitation, raindrops fall. Collection, water for us all. Round and round we go. That's the cycle, now you know. Drippy the drop was feeling warm. The sun came out, it changed its form. He rose up high into the air, joined some clouds just floating there. We're getting heavy, the droplets shout. Time for rain to come pouring out. Down they fall to lakes and ground, splashing, bouncing all around. Evaporation, up to the sky. Condensation, clouds float by. Precipitation, raindrops fall. Collection, water for us all. Science is so fun to know. Now we've learned how water flows. Thanks for joining on this ride, with Bube Science by your side. Don't forget to laugh and learn. More cool facts are your next turn.